Hi friends, let me show you the new furniture razors that I received. You get a pack of 4 razors. As you know, you can use them to raise a bed, for any kind of furniture that you need to be taller. These are the ones that you need. They will raise anything for about 6 inches. 6 inches, that's about the size of the raising platform. They are large enough so the furniture won't be, you won't have the risk of it falling down. They have great grip. They have this plastic in the bottom, so they kind of get 4 of them. Great grip to the floor. They don't move. And being this size, they will receive a lot of furniture. They have this, in this surface, a lot of small nails that will get the furniture leg, and also it won't move. So I think that if you need to raise any kind of furniture at home or in your office, these risers are the ones that you should get. Thank you. Okay, we are going to raise this bed. I want to show you how easy it is. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay. 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 Perfect. As you can see, the bed is raised 6 inches, and you just needed these razors. It doesn't move. It's really firm. I think it's a great way to raise any furniture that you need to raise for any reason. Maybe you have elderly people, old people that can't lay in a down to the floor bed, and you can help them with these razors. It's really easy. They can, well, support this kind of furniture, and they give a great service. Really recommend them. Thank you.